Shout out to Sarah and my mom for this amazing equipment. Mom got me the GoPro Hero 7 and my head strap here for it as well. And Sarah got me this awesome camera mount here so I can finally hold my camera a lot more steady. I do more vlogging videos, so check it out, we're hooked up. Welcome back to another episode of the ScubaDriver guys. My name is Steven. As you can see, I'm wearing my new merch. Shout out to my friend Kevin for helping me out with the design. As you know, I have a contest going on, so someone can win the first shirt that I have here. I got a couple made, and also I've got some more prizes. I'll put that at the end of the video so to remind you. And also the winner of this contest will be announced right at the end of the video. So it's December 30th, 2019 right now, 2 days before January 1st, 2020. So by the end of this video, it will be the new year. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for an amazing 2019. As you know, I just started this channel actually in April of 2019, and it's growing a little bit faster than I thought it would. And I'm just going to keep going in 2020. I have some exciting plans. So let's watch the Scuba, take it for a quick spin. It's 75 degrees outside, and it's December 30th, so why not take advantage of it? Also, a fun fact, I have 2 car modifications here. My brother-in-law gave me these, and I'm not going to reveal them just yet, but 2 minor modifications that are going to look really, really awesome on my car. So let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think this is?
Jimmy on the track, so you know it's lit.
Fly, bubble boy. Fly, bubble boy. Fly, bubble boy.
Man, that sun is bright. All right, we had to clean the Scuba, but it is ready to go now. Man, look at that, 72 degrees outside. Kids outside playing. Beautiful day. Put this thing in VSC Sport. Right now, I can usually get some pretty loud pops at 58. Woo! I don't know if the camera's picking it up. I'm trying to imagine what I look like with this camera on my head. Going to one of my favorite little roads back here. Is where I normally take pictures. Video actually. Alright, we'll pull over. Looks like somebody had some fun back here. It was not me though. I can promise you that. Alright. How cool do I look in this thing? Jeez. Do a quick walk around in my car with my new GoPro. Yeah, this is the GoPro Hero 7. I've actually been using a lot of my previous videos. When I was using a GoPro, I was using my best friend's, his GoPro Hero 6. He's been nice enough to let me use that. And then of course I upgraded a few months ago to the Canon SX740 PowerShot, which I've been using to film most of my videos, but it's nice to have a GoPro option as well. Man, I barely cleaned my car and it is looking pretty good. Sorry about the wind noise. I'm gonna grab my real camera. This giveaway contest this time has also been a lot of fun. Doing my 1,000 subscriber contest, and you guys have been awesome. Tagging your friends in the comments. I've gotten about 20 more subscribers since I started the contest a couple of weeks ago. So thank you guys. Thanks to all the new subscribers out there. If you don't remember, this is what the prize is for this giveaway contest. This is a brand new ScubaDriver t-shirt. This is an extra large, but you know, whoever wins, I'll definitely get your size and make sure I send you the correct size. I'll be doing a bigger order soon. You'll get the picture of my car. Like I said in the first video, I will autograph it if you guys want me to, but if not, I'll just send you that one. And also the Pandem BRZ Hot Wheels Street Tuners. It's a limited edition. Those are really hard to find. I picked up one for myself and picked up one for this contest, knowing that I was going to do that in advance. And also, you're going to get a $25 Amazon gift card, all sent to you, all free. And I will be announcing the winner of that at the end of this video. Anyways, it's December 30th, 2019. This video is going to wrap up on New Year's Eve, which is tomorrow. And at midnight, I'll finish filming this video and we'll announce the winner. Anyways. Well, my camera died, so I'm glad I brought my GoPro. But yeah, like I'm saying, I'm going to announce the winner of this contest right at the end of this video. Today is December 30th, 2019. Tomorrow night, New Year's Eve, I'll finish this video, and right at midnight on my video, I'll announce the winner, and I'll also be getting in contact with you on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for participating in this contest. I can't wait to do some more in the near future. I'll probably start doing these, I don't really have a plan for, but maybe every 500 subscribers I'll do something, or maybe like every 100 subscribers I might do something a little smaller. But I really do enjoy doing this. Thank you guys for this year. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Jimmy on the track, so you know it's lit.
Fly, bubble boy. Fly, bubble boy. Fly, bubble boy. On New Year's Eve. Next time you guys see me, I'll be announcing the winners. And that was loud. Happy New Year, everybody. It's officially 2020. It is a brand new decade. And I just want to say Happy New Year to all of you guys. Thank you guys so much for the support. But I just picked out my official winner for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway contest. It's a random pick, and I'm going to announce the winner right now. And a huge congratulations goes to King Dawson on Instagram. Congratulations, you just won the 1,000 subscriber giveaway contest. Thank you so much for participating. I can't wait to send you your package. You're going to be getting the t-shirt, the $25 Amazon gift card, the Pandem BRZ Hot Wheel, and the picture of my car. I'll sign it if you want, but if not, I'll just send you the picture. So I'll be getting in contact with you on Instagram tonight. And just another huge thank you to all of you guys. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm really looking forward to seeing what 2020 brings us. 2019 was an awesome year. I'm so glad I started this channel, and thank you guys so much for following along on my journey. Can't wait to see what next year brings us. Thanks guys for watching tonight's video. Happy New Year. I'll see you next one. Peace.